In this video, we already have a cloned repository in this location. So if you go here, if you run the command git remote -v to see remote repositories, so you can see /opt demo.git, add it as a alias name origin. So now we need to add one more remote repository so that we can push. So the remote repository should be repo_demo, and it needs to point to this location. So you can do this. How you gonna do? Just run the command git remote add, give that name. That's a dev_demo, right? Dev_demo and the remote repository URL. So it's pointing to this location. So then if you run the command git remote -v, now you can see two remote repositories. So now as per the task, copy this file and then add it and commit it. cp/temp index.html and then put that, so that copies in this location only. So if you look here, you can see that before copying that, check the branch as well. So if you run the command git branch, it's a master branch, so that's what we need actually. And then commit it. If you run the command git status, now it shows untracked. Now add that file with the command git add dot, so that adds everything, and then git commit -m, you can put anything. So if you have doubt what to use in this commit message, some people use past tense such as added index HTML. So I use basically add index.html. So the added means we are saying that, add means it, in this case the commit itself saying that it's added this, so add. So basically check your while committing, check your commit history of the other people, how they committed. Just make sure to balance it. If they use a past tense, use that. If they use simple present, then use this. Of course it doesn't matter, just make sure to keep it clean, everything. So we added that. Now if you look at status, nothing to be committed. Now git push, instead of origin you can use a remote repo alias dev_demo and then the master branch. So that's been pushed now. Even you can go to this location now. If you run the command git status, you could see this. Oops, my bad, typo. Even you can run, of course this is a bare repository, so we did this task earlier, that's why it doesn't show any tree. But if you look in git log, you can see that history. That's what we committed. Check the task results now. It's been successful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share the video if you find it helpful.